Hello students, in this video we start our exercise 7.1. Okay, before the starting the exercise, we remember that we already learned that the formulas, theorems and definition. Okay, and I will give you that 5 times this formula you have to write and remember. I hope you write and all the formulas you will remember. So using that formulas and theorem, we have to start exercise 7.1. And few sums we already learned or already solved in a example when we learn the theorems and formulas. So let's start with the first one, that is integration sin 2x. We already solved. Okay, this sum. So let's take I is equal to integration sin 2x dx. We have to find what? An integral of the given function, or also say that the antiderivative. And before we start, that in your textbook there is a given that using the method of inspection. Okay, in inspection this method not asked in our syllabus. Okay, so we solve directly using the theorem of formulas. First, sin 2x dx. So using the theorem, that is the f of ax plus b is equal to 1 upon a f ax plus b plus c. Okay, so a come down 1 upon a, it makes 1 by 2 integration of sin, that is minus cos 2x plus c. So minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus c. Now second one, integration cos 3x dx. So 1 by 3 derivative of cos, that is sin 3x plus c. You have to what to do? You have to here write where c is an arbitrary constant. Same in all sum, you have to write where c is an arbitrary constant. And which formula you can use, you have to show that. Okay, so easily moderator can check it. Next one, third one, that is integration e raised to 2x dx. This sum we are seeing in another method. Okay, not right. We have to take a substitution method, like in that we take 2x is equal to t, then dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, like this. Here we use the theorem 1 upon a 1 by 2 e raised to 2x, derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to 2x plus c, simple, where c is an arbitrary constant. Next, ax plus b all square. So 1 upon a coefficient of x, 1 upon a, then here x raised to n formula, n plus 1 by n plus 1, x raised to 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3 plus c. Next, integration sin 2x minus 4 e raised to 3x dx. So sin 2x we know that e raised to here 2x, but here dx. So first separate I is equal to integration sin 2x dx minus 4 integration e raised to 3x dx. Derivative of integration of sin 2x, that is 1 by 2 minus cos 2x minus 4 integration of e raised to 3x, that is 1 upon 3 e raised to 3x plus c. Now write cos into 1, so minus cos 2x by 2 minus 4 1s are 4 by 3 e raised to 3x plus c. Next, sixth one is integration 4 into e raised to 3x plus 1. So 4 into e raised to 3x already we done, perform. And integration of 1 dx, you know that it is x. So this sum you have to write your home 7x square in bracket 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. Okay, so in integration there is no multiplication rules are there. So we have what to do? Open it. X square into 1, x square into 1 upon x square, cuts only 1 left. Right? Separate integration x square dx minus integration 1 dx. So x square means x cubed by 3 minus 1 means x plus c. That is our final answer. Next, integration ax square plus bx plus c dx. When abc is constant, so a come out, integration of x square dx plus b integration x dx plus c constant, integration 1 dx. A as it is x square, integration of x square is x cubed by 3 plus b x square by 2 plus dx plus, here c is constant, so we take c dash, where c is an arbitrary C dash is an arbitrary constant. Next, 91 I is equal to integration 2x square plus e raised to x dx. Here what to do? You have to just separate it and integration. Okay, like integration x square plus integration e raised to x x square means x cubed by 3. 10th one I is equal to integration root x minus 1 upon root x whole square dx. Okay, now here we use the formula a minus b whole square. We open it. Okay, open the bracket. So a square means root x square minus 2ab. 2 into root x into 1 by root x plus 1 upon root x whole square dx. Root x square x minus 2 root x cut here 1 upon root x whole square, so 1 by x dx. Now separate integration x dx minus 2 integration nothing than 1 dx integration 1 upon x dx. X means x square by 2 minus 2x plus 1 upon x means log mod x plus c. Okay, note down all the sums. Sum number 11 I is equal to integration x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square dx. Okay, so now we don't have the formula of derivative. In numerator division form. We don't have the formula of division form. So we have what to do? We have to separate the denominator to give the numerator separate. So let's do it. X cube by x square plus 5x square upon x square minus 4 by x square dx. Here left x dx separate integration plus 5x square cut 1 dx minus 4 come out 1 upon x square dx. So integration of x, that is x square by 2 plus 5 integration of 1 x 5x minus 4 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x plus c minus plus 4 by x plus c. That is our final answer is x square by 2 5x plus 4 by x plus c. Okay. Next 12th one integration x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x. Now similar here we give it to x square separate to same root x separate x root x means x raised to 1 by 2 x cube upon x 1 by 2 dx plus 3 x upon x 1 by 2 plus 4 integration 1 upon x 1 by 2 here dx answer. Okay, in each and every part we have to give it to dx and integration sign. Now both the variables same in division, so in exponent subtraction 3 minus 1 by 2 dx plus integration here nothing is 1 minus 1 by 2 and whole term x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1 by 2 as it is. Now using the formula integration x raised to n dx is equal to what? X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So n means 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1. 3 as it is using the formula 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 4. Same formula minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 2 1s are 2 plus 5 7 by 2 similar 7 by 2 in denominator plus 3 2 1s are 2 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Now denominator of denominator in numerator. So 2 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 3 3 cut denominator of denominator in numerator. So 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 x raised to 1 by 2 plus. So that is our final answer. Next one x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 2. There is a linear equation, so we don't have like this perform this. Okay, so not need to separate to each term like x cube upon x minus 1. So again we make a then write in the division from numerator upon denominator by. So we have what to do? We have to check if there is a common thing. Yes, here x square is common, so you get x minus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x minus separate तो both the term x square into x minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. X minus 1 cut integration x square left. Here both cancel. Numerator denominator is only 1 left. Integration of x square is x cubed by 3 plus by 3 plus integration 1 that is x plus c. That is our final answer. So now here 14 integration 1 minus x into root x. Root x means x raised to 1 by 2. So you have to just multiply and separate the integration so you get your answer. Okay, so you have to try it at your home. Next 15th one, root x in bracket 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. So root x means x raised to 1 by 2 same. So here the quadratic equation are there. Okay, so you have to multiply the same thing. You have to here multiply and separate the integration. 3 come out, x square into x 1 by 2 dx plus 2 come out, x into x raised to 1 by 2 plus 3. Here nothing, it means 1. So 1 into x raised to 1 by 2, x raised to 1 by 2 dx. 3 as it is. Variable same in multiplication and exponent summation. 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2 as it is. Integration 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Here we use the formula is integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. 5 by 2 plus 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 plus 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus 3. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 6. 2 denominator of denominator and numerator. 3 2s are 6 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 2 2s are 4 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2. 3 3 cut. 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. That is our 15th one answer. Next 16th one is integration 2x minus 3 cos x plus 3x to x dx. So here what to do? You have to separate the integration for all the function and then after you have to integration. Simple sums are there. Similar 17th one 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5x dx. So again separate it. Okay, all the function and take to integration. Next sec x into sec x plus tan x. Open the bracket. Sec into sec square plus sec into tan. So we know that the integration of sec square that is tan x and integration of sec into tan it means sec x. So our answer is tan x plus sec x plus c. That is our final answer. Okay, so all three are simple sums. So you have what to do, note down now, and the remaining one I will give you in homework, so you have to solve it. Okay, note down sum number 19, that is I is equal to integration x square x upon cos x square x upon dx. So there is a no division rule. So we have what to do, we have to just convert it to sin and cos. So sec square means 1 upon cos square, cosec means 1 upon sin square. Denominator of denominator in numerator. Sin square upon cos square, that is tan square x dx. So we don't have the integration of tan square x dx formula. Okay, so we have to convert into a sec form. So we know that the identity that is tan square x plus 1 is equal to sec square x. So tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay. Separate integration, we have the formula of integration of sec square x dx means tan x minus integration 1 dx means x plus c. That is our final answer. Next one 20. I is equal to integration 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. Still we don't have the formula of numerator of denominator. So separate it. 2 outside, integration 1 upon cos square x dx minus 3 sin upon cos square x dx. 1 upon cos square sec square x. So we have the formula integration sec square x dx is equal to tan x. Okay, 3 sin upon cos means 1 time cos times this cos square is cos x into cos x. So sin upon cos, this one, that is 10. 1 upon cos, 6. Sec into tan. We know that integration sec x into tan x is equal to sec x. So 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c. That is our final answer. Here for exercise 7.1 is complete. Remaining 2 MCQs are there. First one, you have to write yourself, that is the integration root x plus 1 upon root x. So here what to do? X raised to 1 by 2 and that is x raised to minus 1 by 2. You have to apply this integration formulas. Next, if derivative of f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 3x raised to 4 such that f of 2 is equal to 0, then find f of x is blank. So there is the 4 option. So let we have what to do now, applying both sides the integration. So if we apply the integration, then this derivative cut, so we get only f of x. Okay, both sides apply derivative. So integration and derivative both cut. So let f of x here separate 4 outside, integration x cube dx minus 3 outside, 1 upon x raised to 4 means x raised to minus 4 dx. 4 as it is. Integration x raised to 4 by 4, 4 4 cut, minus 3 x raised to minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 in denominator, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 3 3 cut, minus plus, this is minus, so down 1 upon x cube plus, see that is our equation number 1. Now other information is given is f of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now it means x is equal to what? 2. Taking x is equal to 2. Put here f of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2 raised to 3 plus c. F of 2 is equal to what? 0. So 0. 2 raised to 4, 16. 2 cube, 8. Cross multiplication. 68 is 128. 8 into 0, 0. 8 into c plus 1. 128 plus 1, 129. 129 side change. So 8c is equal to minus 1 to 9. C is equal to minus 1 to 9 upon 8. That is, we get the value of C. Now put here in equation 1. So we get x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x cube minus 129 upon 8. So our option is x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x cube minus 129 8. That is our final answer. Okay, note down here. Complete our exercise 7.1. Next we start exercise 7.2. Okay, note down.